Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6, the product Red. If you're new to my channel, what I do is just unboxing Apple products. I don't do a lot of reviews, just unboxing. So I have the Series 5 right here. And this is Series 6. So as you can see, let me show you a comparison between the box of Series 5. This is the box Series 5. It has the charging brick, so that's why it's kind of big. And this is the box for Series 6. Let's unbox it together. So I got the product Red. Just unbox it quick. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. I appreciate that a lot. So that's what comes in the box. So you have the watch itself. As I said earlier, there is no charging brick anymore, just the cable. So Apple is trying to save the environment, I mean save money. And this is the watch. Series 5, this one was cloth material, right now it's plastic. Yep, Apple's going cheap. This is the watch itself. Let me put the band on and I'll get back to you guys. So this is with the band on. As you can see, it looks actually beautiful. I'm gonna be wearing it all day today. Anyways, the main difference is between the 5th and 6th is just the chip is A6 instead of A5, so it's 20% faster. The oxygen blood sensor, so this is Series 5. See, the more sensors has about, I don't know, 12 sensors right here instead of the 8 right here. So, and the brightness, it's 2.5 times brighter than the Series 5. That's pretty much it. I mean that's pretty much the difference between the 6 and the 5 according to Apple. There's some small differences, but it's not worth mentioning. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to make it quick and simple. Hope you guys like the video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.